So today's vocabulary, okay, we are going to, as we always do, I'm going to explain one word and we're going to learn so much because you know this way of learning, right? We put one word and we think about all the possibilities to use that word and we are going to practice that, okay? Thank you for the hearts. And remember that if you missed the live, I'm putting them up on my YouTube channel, okay? Every single one of them. I go little by little, so they will all be there, okay, in the end. And also, if you want all the slides, all the practice, all the corrections, and the answers, they're linked in my bio, okay? And you get January and February, okay? Each day, each live, okay, goes up. So you keep refreshing your files and you will have them there. Oh, thank you for the hearts. Okay, so shall we start? Empezamos, okay? Shall we start? Thank you for the hearts. So we're going to start, okay? We are going to study restaurante, okay? That word, vocabulary, and we're going to learn a lot of words related to that one, okay? And verbs. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so today is this restaurante, and remember, I'm going to remind you how we do restaurante, how we do any word. We put the word in the middle, and then we start thinking about things that we can say about a restaurant. In reality, restaurant is so much. We can say so many things about it. So I've chosen this ones, but you can add more, okay? Because I've chosen what do you find when you go in a restaurant, okay? What can you order? Types of restaurants, the verbs that you can use, okay? And when you want to leave and you want to pay. So, but remember, you can add as many as you want or as little as you want, okay? We have always, the thing is that we get to learn a lot of things out of one word, okay? But we don't want to overwhelm ourselves, okay? So, for me, I have done this. And for you, you can do something different. But remember, put the word in the middle and then branch it out. We do it in your language. The first thing is in your language, okay? And then we translate it, okay? So, if I think of a restaurant, okay, restaurante, what do you think about? I think about la carta, okay, the menu. I think about entrantes, los entrantes, okay? The appetizers, starters, okay? I think about the main dish, el plato principal. I think about side dishes, okay? Al acompañamiento, okay, you can say el acompañamiento or de acompañamiento, okay, depending on the verb that you're using. I think about the postre or el postre, so what can I have? ¿Qué puedo tener de postre? So we use de postre, but that depends on the verb really, okay, and also you got the plato del día, okay, today's special. So for me, that's one, okay. Another one can be la cuenta, okay, la cuenta, the check, the bill. La propina, okay, tip. How are you going to pay? If you're going to pay by, credit card or in cash, pagar con tarjeta or pagar en efectivo or metálico, okay? It's the same thing to say pagar en efectivo than pagar en metálico, okay? Muy bien. So, next one. What types do you have there? You can select the type of restaurant. You can say español, americano, anyone, italiano, whatever, okay? And then you can also say vegano, okay? Vegan, vegetarian, vegetariano, okay? And for verbs, we can use reservar mesa para dos, okay? If you're booking a table, you say reservo mesa para dos, okay? So the verb reservar. We have the verb pagar, okay? Pay. We have the verb pedir, okay? When you ask for something, voy a pedir. I'm going to ask for, okay? We're going to see examples of this, so don't worry. Then we have a domicilio, servicio a domicilio, okay? If they offer home delivery. And another verb that you can use, querer. So pedir a domicilio goes all together, okay? It has gone to the other line, but it's the same one. Pedir a domicilio, okay? And then querer, okay? Querer is what do you want, okay? Great. So I always put the whole picture, but you do this little by little. So the first thing you do, you write down, what do you think of restaurante, restaurant? What we were saying, la carta, menu, entrantes, starters, plato principal, main course, de acompañamiento o el acompañamiento, side dish, okay? We can say la carta de postre, okay, de postres, okay, the dessert menu or the dessert. Plato del día, today's special, okay? So next one. Here. Español, americano, or whatever, Italian, whatever, okay? Then we have vegano, vegan, vegetarian, but you can add as many as you want. These are only some examples, okay? Okay, next one. Verbs. Remember that verbs are the ones that you have always, this is the most important part. Always put verbs when you're studying one word, because whatever you put in, in the different parts, verbs is the most important because you get to make sentences. So when you study like this, the objective is using all the words you have learned to make sentences, okay? And you need verbs for that, okay? So what verbs come to my mind when I think of restaurant? For me, this ones, but for you, you can add whatever, you want to. That's the cool thing about doing this, okay? You can add as much or as little as you want to. So, reservar mesa, okay? To book a table for 2, for 4, para 2, para 4. Pagar, to pay. Pedir, to ask for. A domicilio, home delivery. Querer, to want. Okay, just like we saw before. Okay, and then to pay, la cuenta, the check, the bill, la propina, tip, pagar con tarjeta, pay with credit card, o pagar en efectivo o metálico, pay in cash. Okay, so this is all the same thing as before. Let's go back. Okay, this is the summary. This is what you end up having there so that you can see and remember with one word. You're going to learn all the rest, okay, because it's going to come to you if you do it like this. Okay, enough of explaining, let's practice. So, you know what we always do? We put our answers down below, okay? And we correct them. And don't worry if we make mistakes because we're here to have a great time together and practice, okay? So, let's start. Hola, quería una mesa. Okay, so you get to a restaurant, you say, hi, I want a table, I want to have dinner. And then they ask you, ¿tiene? And you said, sí, tengo reservada una. Okay, so what do you think? This is a conversation, okay? So what do you think? Hola, quería una mesa. And then they ask you, ¿tiene? Muy bien, tiene reserva. Perfecto. ¿Tiene reserva? Perfect. So, sí, tengo reservada una table for 2. Sí, reserva because it's a noun, okay? Tiene is the verb, reservar is another verb para tiene, reserva is a noun. Muy bien, sí, tengo reservada una mesa para 2. Muy bien, perfecto. Perfecto, okay. Let's go to the next one. Me encanta ese restaurante. Es muy variado. Hay comida de todo tipo. So what do you think? I love that restaurant, okay? So yeah, I'm reading all your comments. Mesa para 2, okay? Yes, that's it, Jennifer, perfect. So, me encanta ese restaurante. The following one, I love that restaurant. Muy bien, su menú. Muy bien, su menú es muy variado, okay? Su menú es muy variado, okay? I have to say menú, no carta, because carta, it could be carta, but then it would say variada, okay? Variada, okay? Because carta is feminine, okay? So, su menú es muy variado, okay? That gives us a clue. Hay comida de todo tipo. Muy bien, perfecto. Okay, next one. ¿Qué vas a...? So, someone is asking you, you're at a restaurant and you say, ¿qué vas a...? And I say, creo que pasta con tomate. So, what are you going to ask for, right? What are you going to have? So, ¿qué vas a...? What do you think? Perfect, we can use tomar. Tomar is another one that we can add. Tomar, it could be tomar, not tener, okay? ¿Qué vas a tomar? Muy bien. Another one, we can say pedir. ¿Qué vas a pedir? Voy a pedir pasta con tomate. Okay, perfect. ¿Qué vas a tomar? ¿Qué vas a pedir? Muy bien. Okay, our last slide. Este restaurante tiene... Podemos pedir la comida por teléfono. What do you think? Este restaurante tiene... Podemos pedir la comida por teléfono. So this restaurant has... We can ask, you know, we can call and get our food delivered. So what do you think? Este restaurante tiene... I'm reading all your comments. Entregas personales. Wow, you can say that, okay? It would be... I'm looking for another one, but that would be okay. It's better to say another one, but it makes sense. Like, home delivery, okay? How can we say home delivery? No idea. Okay, don't worry. We can go back so that you can see here. A domicilio, okay? Servicio a domicilio. Exactly. Oh, muy bien. That's it. So, tiene servicio a domicilio. Tiene entrega a domicilio. Muy bien. Muy bien. So, tiene reparto a domicilio. So, we can say reparto a domicilio. Tiene servicio a domicilio. Ok, muy bien. Vale. Ok, reparto a domicilio, servicio a domicilio, entrega a domicilio. Ok, we can say any of this. Ok, so podemos pedir la comida por teléfono. Perfecto. Ok, ya hemos acabado. Voy a pedir la... What do you think? We're all done. I'm going to ask for... Voy a pedir la... Ya hemos acabado. Voy a pedir la... What do you think I'm going to ask for? La cuenta. Muy bien. Ya hemos acabado. Voy a pedir la cuenta. Muy bien. Perfecto. ¿Vas a pagar en o con? Cuenta. Perfecto. ¿Vas a pagar en o con? Perfect. Yes. I'm reading all your comments. Cuenta. Perfecto. Muy bien. Okay. Next one. ¿Vas a pagar en o con? What do you think? Do you remember? Don't worry if you don't, because we have just seen it, so it's logical. Okay, so the difference is in the prepositions. So, ¿vas a pagar? Okay, yes, you can pay con tarjeta de crédito. O sea, tarjeta de crédito es con, okay? ¿Vas a pagar en efectivo? En metálico, okay, so are you going to pay in cash? Will be the first one. O con tarjeta de crédito, okay? En efectivo, con tarjeta de crédito, okay? Exactly. So, ¿vas a pagar en efectivo? Okay, en efectivo or en metálico means cash. En efectivo, en metálico, okay? Con tarjeta de crédito, okay? Muy bien, tarjeta de crédito. Perfect. Okay, and our last one, okay? Our last one of this vocabulary. No te olvides de dejar. So we are paying, and I say, no te olvides de dejar. What do you have to add? No te olvides de dejar. If you know it in English, just put it in English and we can translate it. Yes, a tip. So don't forget to leave a tip. Propina, muy bien. Un comentario, that's a good one. So no te olvides de dejar propina. Okay, great. Muy bien, no te olvides de dejar propina. Perfect. Yay, so now you have learned so much vocabulary, okay? So remember, if you want to watch this again, I'm always put them up on my YouTube channel, okay? And we are following our favorite challenge. I just can't believe we are here. Not many days left. If you want all the slides and practice, you can click the link in my bio and get them all, okay? You get all the explanations, practice, and the corrections. Thank you so much for being here with me. Ay, muchas gracias. Pues muy bien, me alegro mucho, Nick. Muchas gracias. So, remember that I'm here every single day at 9 p.m. Central European time, and we have this little time together to practice Spanish and have a great time, okay? I hope that you have loved this live, you have learned a lot, and we'll see each other tomorrow, okay? Hasta mañana. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós a todos. Un beso.